A crucial component of land development and building operations is contour surveying. Contour surveyors are essential to the effective planning and execution of development projects in Delhi's busy residential neighborhood of Uttam Nagar. These experts capture the contours of the terrain with precision using cutting-edge tools and methods, accounting for differences in height, slopes, and natural features. Developers and architects may make well-informed decisions concerning the design and layout of their projects by working with skilled contour surveyors in Uttam Nagar. Contour surveying services are the area of expertise for the reputed Delhi-based surveying firm Scon Design. They have established themselves as one of Uttam Nagar's top contour surveying service providers, thanks to their knowledge and experience in the field. Their staff of knowledgeable surveyors is experienced in taking precise measurements of the topography of the land using cutting-edge equipment like GPS, laser scanners, and total stations. Scon Design uses these cutting-edge tools to assure the accuracy and dependability of their contour surveys, empowering their clients to make wise decisions throughout the design and construction process. With various development projects ongoing, Uttam Nagar is a neighborhood that is fast developing. In this location, there is a rising need for contour surveyors for both residential and commercial structures. It's crucial to work with experienced contour surveyors in Uttam Nagar to make sure that construction projects go off without a hitch. These surveyors help identify any obstacles or limits that could affect the project's design or layout in addition to providing precise topographic data. Developers can reduce the possibility of future difficulties like drainage issues or soil instability by undertaking detailed contour surveys that allow them to build structures that are compatible with the natural features of the land. Projects involving land development and construction must include contour surveying. Contour surveyors are essential to ensuring that building projects are organized and successfully carried out in Uttam Nagar, a busy residential neighborhood in Delhi. These experts take into account changes in elevation, slopes, and natural features while correctly capturing the contours of the ground using cutting-edge tools and methods. Developers and architects may decide on the design and layout of their projects with confidence by working with skilled contour surveyors in Uttam Nagar, a reputable Delhi-based surveying business that specializes in contour surveying services is called Scon Design. They are now one of the top contour surveying service providers in Uttam Nagar, thanks to their knowledge and experience in the field. With the aid of cutting-edge equipment like GPS, laser scanners, and total stations, their team of knowledgeable surveyors can take accurate measurements of the topography of the property. Scon Design makes sure that their contour surveys are precise and trustworthy by using these cutting-edge techniques, which enables their clients to make wise judgments throughout the design and construction process. There are many development projects going on in Uttam Nagar, which is fast developing. There is a rising need for contour surveyors in this area, from apartment buildings to commercial structures. To ensure that construction projects are carried out without a hitch, Uttam Nagar residents must hire qualified contour